Are you a realtor tired of throwing money into a lead generation black hole and praying something sticks? Then let's break down how much you should realistically be spending on lead generation to actually see results. First, realize there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on your market, your goals, and your risk tolerance. Online advertising, like Google Ads or Facebook Ads, offers precise targeting. You can reach potential clients based on demographics, interests, and even their online behavior. Expect to spend anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per month, meticulously tracking your click-through rates and conversion rates to refine your campaigns. Social media marketing focuses on building your brand and engaging with your community. Content creation, consistent posting, and community engagement can be time-consuming but cost-effective, especially if you DIY. Consider budgeting for a social media manager if you want a more professional approach, ranging from $500 to $1,500 monthly. Don't ditch traditional methods entirely. Think strategically. Sponsoring local events, sending targeted postcards to specific neighborhoods, or even local newspaper ads. Allocate a smaller portion of your budget here, perhaps 20%, and track the response rate to see what resonates. The key is to test different strategies, diligently track your results, and adapt your budget allocation accordingly. Start small, scale what works, and ditch what doesn't. Now go forth and conquer that lead generation game. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate marketing tips.